About to show you how to lock the full potential of your smartphone to create high quality content. Let's get it. Now, are you tired of feeling limited by your phone's editing capabilities? Well, you're not alone. Many creators struggle to achieve high quality content from their smartphone, all because of their limited perceptions of mobile editing apps. But no more fear. Cape is here. I got you. I'm about to give you 5 pro tips that will literally transform your content from amateur to fucking amazing. So first, I want you to optimize all your lighting. Now, utilizing natural light is your best friend for vibrant and well-lit shots. And as you can see, I am outside with the sun. We lit out here, you feel me? Now, if you're recording inside, then I definitely recommend utilizing a wand light at a 45-degree angle. That would light all your scenes perfectly. Now, the next thing is, you want to eliminate all the shakiness in your footage. You don't want your stuff to look like that, you know? So in order for it to not look like that, I definitely recommend utilizing a tripod or a gimbal to help stabilize all your footage. So next, you want to experiment with different compositions to add visual interest and depth to all your shots. And you can do this just by changing angles. Now, just by adding different angles and transitions to your scenes, this will help keep your audience's attention. Now, this is another big thing. I want you to invest in some quality audio so that way you can have a clear sound. Now, if you don't want to spend any money on microphones right now, then I definitely recommend utilizing this site to turn your crappy audio to a more professional sound. If you want the complete gear list, just comment gear below and I'll send it to you for free. You got me?